big lap though here. Martin up the inside, or he's going to run in hot. Well, Martin's got Marc Marquez at the end of that first lap. Good tussle this there now between. You can see the problem that comes to Ramir's way when he starts maroon back on that fourth row of the grid. He only picked up one place on that first lap, and already
So we'll keep track on its progress throughout the race. Into
know the two Suzuki men have got the one from Bagnaia. We can see the reverse here to championship points away from Fabio Quartararo. This is dreamland for Ducati. Here it comes, 1.3 seconds clear over Miller in the first sector. There's another move coming here from Martin on the brakes into turn number one. Corner speed of the Yamaha on the inside picks Martin up. What a battle this is for third.
fantastic stuff here from the nothing
Between Bagnaia and Quartararo's lap times on that second lap, there's 300s between them. Just the fact that Bagnaia made the dream launch. He's gone out.
Quartararo, a bit of breathing space. Now further back, look at this. Rins has fallen behind Bastianini. Keep an eye on Bastianini. He's made enough forward movement on the opening few laps, and already look how far back they are on the two Ducati right now. Here is Bagnaia then, having waited so long for that first MotoGP.
So simple. He made it look easy from the helicopter shot. Bastianini continues his forward progression. He started 12th. He's now up in this.
To Polispargaro as they went into turn two. Dramir now is lining Polispargaro up just at the top of your picture for a move.
Yeah, Polispargaro always felt he was going to be taking big chunks of time out of Marquez. Then Aleix Espargaro, who's wide. Aleix Espargaro's gone out wide into turn number 8. That's going to cost him the place to Marc Marquez.
Here he comes up alongside the Aprilia then of Aleix Espargaro, and he carves through like a
horse for the rookie.